few years ago, we started an experiment with a salt mixture that supposedly could be used in place of Roundup. Due to the expense and questions regarding health and environment, we wanted to give it a try. We managed to get the first 3 videos finished before a couple of back surgeries stopped us from completing the final video.
Welcome to Brijan. Enjoy the video.
So last year we decided to pick up where we left off, but with a new twist. We were sorely in need of new gravel. We started off by killing off the existing weeds in the drive with Roundup and could lay landscape fabric down the middle of the drive.
In this video, we are going to concentrate on the area from the top looking down.
Then we had number 2 gravel delivered and dropped down onto the landscape fabric. We made sure not to buy the 2B modified gravel for fear of its dust clogging the fabric. We have been using Roundup once a week up until now to kill the miscellaneous weeds that start to appear. An interesting thing we did find is that when we hit the weeds once a week with the Roundup, a substantial amount of money, time, and Roundup was saved. We can now walk up the drive and give a few squirts here and there, and we are done. We have been pretty much weed-free since we had the gravel delivered last year, and now so far this year. But now on to business. We are stopping the use the Roundup and are switching over to our salt recipe. We are going to keep our once-a-week schedule, just using our mixture instead of the Roundup. At the end of the season, October or November, hopefully we will have an answer as to whether we can continue to use our generic mixture, a combination of both, or dispose of the idea altogether. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and stay tuned. We've got exciting projects coming your way. Thanks for watching.